All new on WJCL 22, Buster Murdaugh, the surviving son of convicted murderer Alec Murdaugh, is suing several major media companies. In a lawsuit, he accuses them of falsely linking him to the death of Stephen Smith. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler getting a hold of the lawsuit, joining us live now in the studio. Buster has repeatedly denied any involvement in Smith's death.
Yeah, Greg, and investigators haven't charged him. Buster makes mention of that in his lawsuit, but the attorney representing Stephen Smith's mother tells me he feels the suit could actually backfire.
It breathes oxygen into a fire that was almost smoldering it out.
That's attorney Eric Bland speaking about a new defamation lawsuit filed on behalf of Buster Murdaugh.
I wasn't surprised when I heard that he wanted to do it. I was surprised that it's been so long and now it was dropped.
Major media outlets, including Netflix and Warner Brothers, are listed as defendants in the lawsuit. The suit claims the defendants wrongly suggested that Buster Murdaugh, alone or with others, killed Stephen Smith. You may remember authorities found Smith's body on a rural Hampton County road back in 2015. They originally ruled his death a hit and run, but investigators reopened Smith's case while looking into the murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh. The lawsuit points out, though, that Murdaugh has not been notified by any law enforcement entities of any allegations against him related to Smith's death. Murdaugh says the defendants' alleged attempts to link him to Smith's death caused damage to his reputation and mental anguish. But Bland, who represents Smith's mother, says he doesn't feel this is the right way for Murdaugh to move forward.
If he wanted to get on with his life, this would not be a way that I would recommend getting on with your life and getting a fresh start.
Bland says he feels the lawsuit will only open Murdaugh up to more questioning.
The only questions that Buster has answered is said, hey, I didn't kill Stephen Smith, and I've never had a sexual relationship with him. But what nobody's ever asked is, well, do you have any information about how Stephen Smith died? And the discovery process is very personally intrusive in litigation.
Bland says Murdaugh also will likely not be the only one questioned. He said if he were one of the defense attorneys in this case, he would go to all of Murdaugh's different friends or people he was acquainted with and question them. And Greg, I reached out to each defendant listed in this lawsuit. So far, I've only heard back from Gannett, which said it does not comment on pending litigation. Back to you.
Interesting case to follow. Brooke Butler reporting live in our studios. Thanks so very much.